So we're doing a tub to shower conversion. The Azura Bay shower walls, ceiling panel, Dartmoor faucet, handheld, 6 shelves, 3 grab bars. And then we're doing the 60-inch Streamline Encore sliding glass door. And a new shower light too.
And the finishes?
Matte black for everything. It's like, that's the hot commodity nowadays. The matte black, super popular. What is old to be new again. And this box checks out. Here's the completed tub to shower conversion. Nice central wall system, all Moen fixtures, grab bars, faucets, hand showers. We blew out the soffit, new LED light. I'd say it was a home run.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
It's nice, man.
It's really
It's
nice.
unbelievable.
I can't wait to take a shower.